case you've just joined me, today's show is a tribute to Louisiana cooking. Now it's time to put the dessert together. And in order to put this dessert together, I'm going to need some ice cream. And I'm going to use vanilla ice cream. But today's dessert is really a hot dessert. And this dish is famous in New Orleans. And it's bananas Foster. I just love it. And it's so simple to make, y'all. We're going to start our heat off fairly high. And we're going to melt a stick of butter. Now, you know this is a good recipe if it's starting with a stick of butter. And we're going to let that melt. While that's melting, I'm going to cut that down just a little bit. While that's melting, I'm going to get our bananas ready. And I'm just going to peel them, cut them in half, and then split them just like that. I'm going to add a half a cup of brown sugar. I want to pack that in there good. You can see that butter's starting to cook. Looks delicious already. Now I'm just going to slip our bananas in there and cook them until they're kind of soft. Here, I think we can just do that. Yeah, there we go. And while those are cooking, I'm going to measure out a half a cup of dark rum. That's what's going to give it the fire and the flavor. And you can see that that butter and brown sugar is really starting to incorporate. And I'm just going to flip our bananas around over it. Bananas is probably the fruit that I love to eat the most. But of course, naturally, it's not nearly as low calorie as an apple or something like that. I mean, you might know my favorite fruit would be one of the most fattening. That is starting to look real good. Now I'm going to pour in that half a cup of rum. And you never want to pour the liquor directly from the bottle into your pan. Now we're going to set it on fire. And I'm going to kind of stand back for this one because y'all will want to make sure that you're very careful while you're fixing this dish. Be careful of your eyelashes and your hair, girls, because if you're like me and wear a lot of hairspray, your whole head could go up in flames. Look how pretty that is, though. Okay, our flame is dissipated. I can smell that rum in those bananas. And now it's time for us to fix a plate and see what our bananas Foster tastes like. Homemade pound cake would be fabulous with this, but the store-bought cake works nicely too. All right, my ice cream has gotten nice and soft. You know, you just can't go wrong with ice cream. Look at that. Just look at that. Oh, wee. Look at that. I like lots of juice with mine. Okay. Oh. This is so good, y'all. And you don't have to be a rocket scientist to put this dish together. While I'm eating this, y'all, go grab you a cup of coffee. And when we come back, I'm going to give you some good Cajun gift ideas that you won't want to miss. Make this tonight, y'all. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.